Hey everyone! So, today, I've got a real doozy for you. Imagine waking up to find out that your flight is grounded, your bank's ATMs are down, and even grabbing a Big Mac is out of the question. Sounds like the plot of a dystopian movie, right? Well, welcome to July 19th, 2024, a day that's going down in IT history. A massive computer outage, courtesy of a faulty update from CrowdStrike, has thrown the world into chaos. CrowdStrike, a major cybersecurity firm, managed to disrupt businesses and services worldwide. Yep, you heard that right, worldwide. First off, airlines. United Airlines and KLM were majorly hit with flights grounded left and right. So if you were planning a summer getaway, you might be stuck at home binge-watching Netflix instead. And speaking of Netflix, let's hope their servers are still up. Banks weren't spared either. ATMs went on strike, making it impossible to withdraw cash. So for a day, the world almost went back to bartering. Imagine trading your lunch for Wi-Fi. Oh, the horror. And if you thought you could drown your sorrows in a McFlurry, think again. McDonald's also faced issues processing payments. That's right, even the golden arches couldn't escape the tech apocalypse. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty. The root cause? A faulty update from CrowdStrike that impacted Microsoft systems including Azure and 365. This ripple effect took down systems at the London Stock Exchange, causing major communication breakdowns and customer service issues. Microsoft quickly acknowledged the issue, affecting Windows devices due to the third-party update, and scrambled to restore Azure services. But the damage was done. CrowdStrike's shares plummeted by 20%, and Microsoft's by 2.9%. This incident isn't the first of its kind. Remember Amazon's cloud service hiccup in 2017 that disrupted thousands of websites? Or the 2021 Fastly issue that took down sites like the New York Times and Reddit? Well, this latest outage makes those look like minor hiccups. Experts are calling this the largest IT outage in history. The interconnected nature of today's businesses means when one domino falls, it can take down an entire line with it. It's like the world's worst game of Jenga. This event is a wake-up call for companies to beef up their cybersecurity and have robust backup systems in place. Because let's be real, no one wants to live in a world where they can't get their morning coffee because the payment system's down. Alright folks, that's the scoop on the massive IT outage of 2024. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more tech news, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay connected, stay safe. Peace out.